everyone, hope you're all okay. Right, this is going to be a bit of a bit and bob video. Some of you will have seen this paper before. It's what I did a couple of years ago when I had a mad session of splashing paint in the greenhouse. I did a video of it, I think. Well, I don't think you actually saw me doing it, but yeah, it's on wallpaper lining, and I've had it in the craft room thinking I really need to do something with that. I've not got anything to show you, but this morning I just thought, oh, I'm going to cut a piece out. I got a sheet of white paper and stuck it to a piece, and I thought I'll make a pocket letter. Everybody seems to be doing pocket letters at the minute. Why I'm attempting this I do not know, because I just don't get on with doing pocket letters, but this is what I'm doing. I need to find some bits and bobs. Whether they'll ever get finished or not, I don't know. I'll colour the back, paint the back, and I need to buy some pockets if I do decide to do them, but I think that's quite pretty like that. And I really need to start using all my blowing stuff up. Oh god, it's a blowing I don't know, I just got too much stuff. So I thought I would just do a flip through. I've been watching Teresa Carboot Crafter, a couple of her videos recently that she's big into doing pocket letters, and she said she's got 14, I think. I'm like, crikey, I've got 5. I thought, oh, because I do take them out and look at them, and I just thought I'd give you a flip through. You're not going to be able to see them all properly. This was my first one from lovely Sarah, the Cranky Crafter. And my first one I received on the 1st of April in 2015. And the last one I received was 29th of July 2016. And then I obviously not bothered with them anymore. Well, probably people have seen the ones I've sent and thought, no, I don't do all that rubbish. I don't know, I can't even remember the ones that I've sent. Yeah, they are lovely. I mean, at the end of the day, they're only ATCs, aren't they? But why I don't get into them, I don't know. Some bits and bobs on the back. This one was from Kay, Kazakin's one. They're all so lovely. I've actually used some of the bits out of here this afternoon on something which I'll show you in a minute. This one was from Jay, who is Crafting Ann. I don't know whether Jay still comes on YouTube or not. They're just so pretty. I think we're all the same to a certain degree, aren't we? You know, you hear a lot of people say, oh, well, mine never look as good. I don't, you know, we shouldn't compare ourselves to other people, but I think it's just natural instinct sometimes. Well, people make it look so easy. Napkins in the back of there. I'm going to gather all my napkins up one day. All these things to do. So many things to do, so little time. And yeah, do a napkin journal or something. But I think I will make them firmer. Can't think what the technique is where you do it. Who did it? Sarah Taylor Brown, is it? Where, oh yeah, what she did was put glue on some card, let it dry, and then put the napkin over the top, and then a sheet of paper, parchment paper, sorry, I'm just watching a little sparrow out the window, a sheet of parchment paper, and then ironed it on, and it's brilliant. That technique is brilliant. So I think I might do that with a load of, because I've got so many napkins that people have sent me, and they're all beautiful and overwhelming. So, sorry, this one is from, who was that one from? That one was from Jay. This one was from Melissa Gibson, who is Misty Blue 46, although I don't think that's her name now, and I don't know whether she still comes on YouTube or not. But this was from Melissa. Hope you can see all right. Some bits and bobs in the back. There's some bright coloured things there. I didn't know whether they might fit on the 80s, my pocket letters that I'm doing. Then there's this one, Painty papers. Oh, this is Frank Glinsky. This was the last one. Oh, just look at all those colours. They're just so divine. I think probably because I was looking at them all the other week, and I thought, and this one, I thought, oh, I've got all that beautiful Painty paper. I could do something similar to this. Just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. They're all gorgeous. And then there's all these goodies in the back of this one. Yes, so that's that. And then, oops, some stickers falling out of there. Ooh, don't know which ones these are falling out of. Oh, little smileys. Which one have they come out of? That one, I think. That's where they're going to go back in anyway. Yeah, it's all over again. I'm going to show you these, but I've got, these are what I started. I did show these, oh, I don't know whether it was last year, the year before, but some of you will have seen these. These are all ones that I started back in 2015, 2016. This is as far as they got. I really like this one. This will be the first one I get finished off, I think, if ever I do them. And it's, you know, when you get acetate and use it as a paint palette, well, it was that. And then I think I probably just stamped black on it or something, and then just chopped it up because I thought, oh, that's really pretty. Yeah, there's bits of glitter and that on. And then I'd back them all onto black card, gone around the edges with gold and black. Need to get it finished. And then I'd had the idea that it would be good to do some fabric ones because I've got loads of fabric, so I'd started doing some fabric ones just for something different. Well, mixture of, this is a mixture of fabric and paper. That's as far as I got with that one. These are all fabrics. I just put some washi tape on the top and bottom, or top or bottom of them. Put those onto cards. It's pathetic, isn't it? Oh my god, I'm so pathetic. But that's not the end of it. Made even more look, and then I'd run out of the covers. Oh my god. Oh, what? Really? Well, I don't know how long ago it is. I know some of you will remember me showing these, but I've done absolutely nothing with any of them. I am crap. Oh dear. You've got to laugh. Oh, look at this. I've just spotted this. We went out for a ride in the car the other week. I think I told you, first time I've been out since March the 18th. And Mr. Doodle decided he wanted to go to this particular bakery. So we went to this bakery and he said, "Do you like the bag?" The bread, of course I would, thank you very much. But that is so lovely. What would you do with that in the way of journal? Would you paint over it? It's just, oh, it's really lovely. It looks greasy and it's not. But it's so nice. I can't throw that away. Anybody got any ideas with that? I think it would need, I might put some, oh no, don't even go there. Right, last thing. Now, everybody, the craze, I seem to be seeing loads of pocket letters at the moment. And the other thing is the origami dresses. Now, they're nothing new to me. I did them, oh, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago. Scrimpy, Amanda, she was the first person that I saw do them. And I probably did, I don't know, 4 or 5, not very many. But I didn't think they were very good, and they've all gone out in when I've done Flourish journal swaps and things like that. They've gone. But the first person recently I saw was, is the lady's name Aisha? Her YouTube name's I think it's she's a new lady to me, Arty Grandma or something like that. I will leave the link anyway. I'll leave the link to her channel. She didn't do a tutorial, but then last night I watched Mags Lockley and Mags did a tutorial, so I thought I stopped the video. I thought, right, I've got some paper cut up. I'm not gonna show you, but if anybody does want me in particular to show you how to fold it, I will do. But I'm going to leave the link to Mags's video for if anybody hasn't already seen other people's. I don't know who else has done them. But yeah, so I did one. Oh, got to do that. That was my first one, and this is out. I'd already got some sheets of paper cut up to do some more butterflies with, but I thought, oh, I'll use one of those. But Mag, she's done some, was a 6x6 sheet, and then she'd done a 4x4 square sheet one, smaller one obviously, and she'd turned it into a paper clip, and I haven't done that yet. And believe it or not, no, I haven't made 10 million of these yet. I've done 3. I did that one last night, and this trim was from Julie Olivia's Crafty Boutique. This little button I've just put on, that was out of Kay's pocket letter. I just thought that looked nice on there. It's pretty, not very neat on the back. And then I've just done 2 more, again with my Painty papers. This one wants to stand up. I obviously didn't flatten that one out properly, but that one wants to stand up. I thought I might oh, these ideas, oh, I need more than 24 hours in a day. I thought I might make it into a person, make a person, stick some legs and arms and a head and that on, and make like a little dolly with that one. But yeah, this was out of Happy Mail, but that was from the drawer of that had got no names in, so I don't know who that's from. I just stuck that across there. And then there was this one. I don't know where that one. I do struggle a bit. I mean, Mag said that this little piece at the back, she struggles with that, but it doesn't matter because it's at the back, so you don't see it anyway. Whether it's because my paper's a bit too thick, I don't know, but that's what I'm enjoying doing. And this bling trim, this was out of Kay's pocket letter, and this little bit was as well. So, but Poor girl with her dress, she couldn't afford to have the trim all across the bottom, look. So, but I think that still looks nice like that. And I'm sure I've got some more black if I wanted to put it on, but I don't because I think it's different. So that's my twaddle for a whatever day it is. Are we on Wednesday or Thursday? I've no clue. Wednesday, I think. Is it Wednesday? I think it's Wednesday when I'm doing this. But yes, so that's all for today, I think. Let's have a look. Yes, it is. So thanks ever so much for watching. Thank you for all your comments on my previous videos. You're all a load of loves, you really are. And yeah, I'll speak to you soon. Take care, bye.